We're learning critical new information tonight as the manhunt widens in the search for the suspect believed to have gunned down a Maryland judge last week. Circuit Court Judge Andrew Wilkinson was fatally shot at his Hagerstown home on Thursday. It happened just hours after the judge ruled against Pedro Argote in a child custody case. Argote is the prime suspect in the shooting and has been on the run now for 4 days. His car was found abandoned over the weekend, leading police to expand their search out of that immediate area. And now shocking new information revealed in court documents shows that Argote had faced previous allegations of domestic violence. Joining us now is NewsNation correspondent Evan Lambert. Evan, these documents show that Argote's wife said he was violent. So why did he have a gun?
Yeah, Elizabeth, so she told the court that she felt threatened by Argote and that he always carried his gun, but he had never been charged with any sort of abuse. Now police saying he is a murderer.
We're going to catch this guy. It's just a matter of time.
Sheriff's deputies in Maryland promising to find the man they say targeted and murdered in cold blood, a respected judge who presided over his divorce case. Over the weekend, a big development. Investigators locating the silver Mercedes SUV that looks like this, that 49-year-old Pedro Argote was driving. A neighbor came across it Saturday morning in Williamsport, a rural area of the county, just about 8 miles from the scene of the crime in Hagerstown. Police say Argote shot 52-year-old Circuit Court Judge Andrew Wilkinson in his driveway Thursday. NewsNation now learning new details about what investigators believe to be the motive. Argote shooting Wilkinson just hours after the judge awarded custody of his 4 children to his ex-wife and ordered he pay child support. Court records show Argote filed for divorce last year, and a long and contentious battle played out. Argote's ex-wife warned that her husband had a gun and might be violent, writing, quote, "I don't get out of the house without his knowledge. I know he has his weapon on him at all times." Court records show a judge granted a temporary protective order requiring Argote to surrender firearms, but it was dismissed weeks later at his ex-wife's request, allowing him to legally own a weapon. And Argote's ex-wife also told the court that he was at one point threatening to abuse their daughter, but he was never charged. There is a $10,000 reward from the U.S. Marshals for his capture. Elizabeth?
And why did the ex-wife drop the protective order?
Elizabeth, that's the one thing that we do not know from those court documents. We just know that it was something that was granted on a temporary basis, and then she basically said at her request that it would be dropped.
Thanks so much for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.